Ona žena pravi, da je zdravilna in da kar je živa, tle še ni presahnilo.
It is not so often you find an opportunity to join camp or an organized adventure rally. So when I stumbled upon this adventure camp in Istria in Croatia, I immediately booked it. We started off in Croatia, in Istria. After some warming up at the training park, we hit the trails. We split into 3 categories: easy, medium and pro. Riding the medium, we got some more technical challenges than the easy group, but nothing a medium-sized bike with the right technique, that is, couldn't handle. And through the next 2 days we covered nice riding roads and trails with some breathtaking views. We were covered with accommodation, food and also some riding lessons. On these trails we were accompanied by Slovenian off-road and enduro blokes. Roman, Slovenian TET linesman, Tomaž, motocross team owner and coach, Luka, champion and extreme enduro participant, and Mladen, experienced off-roader with plenty of mechanical crafts up his sleeve. Although his expertise wasn't needed despite a few punctures and broken levers, it's nice assurance to know that you have guys around that know their stuff around the bikes.
To so makadami, ne tisti.
A vidiš, narobe definicijo makadama imajo, ne?
As the forest trails opened up, we entered the roads of Učka, Croatia's national park, at roughly 1300 meters. After some rocky trails, a hard-packed pavement gave us some rest, with spectacular views on the surrounding hills and Adriatic Sea. Weather was really on our side, almost too much, as hitting 28 degrees will fatigue you sooner, and the guys from Adventure Spirit nailed it when they stopped us on a viewpoint and served us with water, non-alcoholic beverages before descending back into the forest trails again. Luka, really cool dude, motocross champion and extreme enduro rider, offered me his brand new Husky 901 to ride. But after a whole day of hard riding, we were all exhausted, so I passed the opportunity for another day. We wrap up the day with some fun on the blacktop twisties towards our camp by the sea, getting ourselves well-deserved beer and sharing the day's impressions. The following day we tackle even more scenic routes back to Slovenia. Some riders switch groups. The following day I sticked with Luka in intermediate and we got a new rider from easy. Somehow our group got smaller. We were continuing as a 4-pack.
Maneken.
Ja, lepo stvari, samo noge pečejo, meča.
When you are riding behind a rider, you should always keep a safety distance to the bike in front of you. This way you avoid getting hit by rocks. Going slow over rocks will also disrupt your balance, so consider this space also to gain some speed. And if the guy in front of you bends it, you don't run him over, or bend it yourself when you try to stop.
Bravo.
Bolje onda da ovu...
Ovo si ponesite sobom, ovo izvojite.
As we were getting closer to Slovenian border, we crossed the mountain plains, where there were still trenches left from the World War I. I tried to encourage Luka to jump it, but I guess he had other thoughts on his mind. The scenery opened up and the views became breathtaking.
Malance še obrn.
Familiar with this kind of terrain, it can surprise you out of nowhere. Grass-covered rock, loose rock, a rut. Stopping here gives you a challenge starting up again. Luka will help the fellow down, I just had to keep going. when the challenging part was over, I relaxed, but it took a split second of not paying attention to the terrain. We crossed to Slovenia. Every time you return here, you get reminded how really beautiful it is. Seems like someone took the most beautiful pieces of the puzzle and threw them here. The scenery feels like you're riding on the top of the world.
Jebote. ABS, kurba.
And this is how we seized our two-day adventure. In the end, it's not about the motorcycles and the riding. These adventures come together as a whole because of the people. Avid riders wanting to explore the world around them, helping out and building the team spirit, creating experiences, making friends and planning new adventures. Thank you, Adventure Spirit, for this incredible trip.